So hello everyone, my name is Janik Patel and today we will continue our next section. And as earlier we have created the section of about me. So for the next section we also take this heading. To duplicate this section we just have to click the this types I this icons at the top. Just right click on it and click on duplicate. So this how you have to duplicate the complete section of this heading. And after that uh, click on the icons and place this section at the bottom. And after that just you have to change the heading like afterwards we want to create a section of qualification in which we will add the about the qualification of our, like we will add your qualification. And in the subheading we will write uh my qualified you. You can also change this subheading if you want. So we have created a heading for our qualification section. After that, we will create another structure. So for that, we will get the three columns here, and at the first and the last column, we will add the our qualification. In the first column, we will take a heading and we will write our qualification like plus two, or we can write here higher education like this, and just change the size of it. I think you have remembered that how we can change the size of a text. For that, we have to go to styles and after that, typography. And click on this icon. We'll set to it 30. And after that, just place this text at the center like this. And we will change the color of it to a little bit a dark color, and also change the font family of that I like it. And I think I should have to change this side. I can write um plus two sign in, and at the below of it we will add the name of our college or institute in which we have completed the this type of course. And in my case it is Work College. uh no its name is Utkarsh Vidyalaya and Junior College. After it, just we have to place it on the at the center. Click on the styles and place it at the center like this. And also we have learned that how we can change its margin. So click on advanced and first disconnect all the sides, and after that decrease the margin of this text like this. And like this we will uh, uh, and also you can use shortcut keys in WordPress. Like I have just clicked on the pencil icon and I have pressed Ctrl plus D for duplicating this text. Like this, in the first one we will write uh, matriculation, like our 10th education, we can say higher education. And like this also we will duplicate this school name, and we will drag it to the top. And here I will write my school name. Let me write school. So, and at the below of this information, we will add a spacer between the both the things, and like this. So it will create some space between the both the education, and also will decrease the space of the middle column, and the last column we will just duplicate this text and add our degree college information, like mm, information. Right now I am pursuing in BSc Information Technology, and we will write the BSc BSc, and after that at the bottom of it we will write the name of it, the institute, the college or UR Institute of Technology, or these UR Institute of Technology. And after this we'll again duplicate this for adding my front-end development code, front-end development, front-end development, and the institute is Learn from Peers Organization. Yes, solution. Like this, you also have to add your code's information in your portfolio website. So I have added this, and will also place the this spacer at these two institutes, between these two institutes, like this. So I have added the complete qualifications of my till now. So I have completed my matriculation from St. Anthony High School, Science Stream, Utkarsh Vidyalaya, SCIT from Viva College, and front-end development from Learn. Yes, and at the middle, we will add an image here of any type of like a divider, which will be look better. So we will add it later. At this column, we will add an image here, and that image we will create later on. So uh, at now, just keep it as it is, and after that, we will add another section. Uh, no, I think we can also again we can just copy this section, or duplicate it. Click on this icons here, like click on these icons, right click and duplicate. After that, you just take this section at the bottom, and at last we will add a skills section, and here we will write my skills. And also you have to try to make some changes at different sections according to your expertise, or if you if you want some creativity in your website. So for that you can try some of the changes. Like you also have learned about the features of this Elementor and the different sections here. Also, I'll teach all the basic things here. But before it, try to make some changes as your by your. Okay, right now we will click on update here, so your site will be updated. And after that, as now I already opened this WordPress dashboard page, I'll go to it. Uh, it is taking time for loading the page. Just a second. So I have come to this page, and after that, I'll come here to your plugin section and click on it. So after that, we have to click on add new or different plugin. So we have to add a plugin. So we will click on add new, and after that, search for. You have to search for no progress bars, and you will find here different types of progress bar. So you can select any you like. So I will select this one and click on activate. So in the install plugins, you will find the your plugin name, Progress by WP. And now just come to your Elementor editor and create a new section here of two columns, because we will create two different columns for different skills. Like now, and after it will click on this icon, and here I will search for progress bar. So here is the option of progress bar. I will drag it to my column, and like this you will get your progress bar. And now you will create a duplicate of this by clicking on Control plus D shortcut key. And again you have to repeat this and take this third progress bar at the another column and change the title of this skills of your skills. Like you have completed a basic computer, you have the knowledge of a basic computer, can write it about it here, like basic computer. And here you can write um uh, like difference, or you can just remove the subheading here inside heading inside the pass, because we don't want it. And after that, change the title of game and add it in the game developer from scratch. After that, the third, web development. Like this you will add a different skills here and change the value of it, like basic computer, or I think you have knowledge of 90%, and in game development uh almost 85, and in web development my knowledge is 95. So this type of skills, or you can add it, and you can also change the design of this progress bars, like color if you want, and you can change to it to green or dark color, and the color look, and after that the basic computer. So I'm not getting the change the color of this title. So for that we'll go to styles and find it for the like typography it is here, but I'm text shadow title styles. Okay, so we have to click on title styles for editing this basic computer title. So now I will uh change the color of it to the dark like this, and we will copy the color of this text, and we will change the font family of it, like it should be it is very funky type, so we can add like this basic computer no big, or like this you have to also change the all of them. So just click on title style, and we have copied the code of the color. So like this you have to just paste it here, and after that click on typography, and you can change the font family here to Mobix, Wagons Mobix, what it was. Okay, so I think we should will delete this and we'll just duplicate this, so we doesn't want to change the every section for this. So here I will write game development sketch, and after it here we will write web development. Here in the bracket we will write WordPress. It is the software that we are using for creating websites. And after that we will change the color of these bars. Now go to styles and click on the color and change it to little bit blue or dark. So I am adding multiple colors because I like it. Okay, so I've added the complete skills, and now I will click on update to update my skills section. So right now we have completed the first, second, third, and fourth section. And after it, in the next video, we will create our project section, in which we will add a different projects which we have created in the Scratch tutorial or in the Scratch codes. So let's end it here and meet in video in the next video.